Hello, folks. This is Rocketman here. I'm actually making a new video, and I'm focusing here on this video on super stocks. And the stock I'm looking at is one I've been observing since about February 2024. It's called GitLab. I made a previous video on it, so I'm not going to really look at the fundamentals. I'm not looking at the balance sheet or the things that underline the why I believe the stock is going to move up. But we do have a buy signal here on GitLab. First, we had an ABC move down, as you can see here. We had ABC, A, that's B, and as a C here. And if we measure the move, it is an extension. Whoops. It's an extensive move. Let's see here. Extension move. Right. It's an extension. It goes to 1618 and beyond. So that's an extension. And this extension entered a horizontal support level that we get on a weekly chart here. This is a daily chart, but I'm just showing you the horizontal support, which I will look at. Let's look at it now. So this is a horizontal support on the weekly chart. Just to make it quick. And you can see the price fell down for 2 weeks, hit that level, right, of support. And that level of support is also a FIB level here. You can see it's a 50% FIB level. And then also it's a diagonal trend line, all matching at the same zone. So this is called confluence here. Today, this week, the price is closing above or testing the Kijun. Once again, giving us a buy signal. This would be also I forgot the confluence is also coming from the ABC down on the daily chart, the extension. So this is a buy signal. Also, if we go back to the daily chart, we can see that we have an extreme divergence here. I'm not going to talk about what extreme divergence is. It's just something I use. So we have extreme divergence, and we have my extreme indicator telling me that hey, this is bottom. So all these things lining up together, telling us that this is a buy, and including the fundamentals of the balance sheet and the earnings and the sales of the company of GitLab. Other things I'm not going to review in the video. So I entered more. I purchased more of this company, and our reward risk ratio, we can see here, is going to be a 4-to-1 reward risk ratio. So if I have $50,000 or more, if I'm risking about 2%, you can see we work more than. If I'm risking about just $3,000, you can see that we're going to multiply that times 4. If we make that in this one particular stock, I have about over 25 stocks I bought, so I'm only viewing one. So this is one, a buy signal from one. Duolingo is another stock I purchased here, and it's not a super stock, so I'm not going to review it. But here are 2 super stocks that I'm going to review. McDonald's. I have McDonald's, Microsoft. Let's keep going down. Here we are. ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a super stock, and it gave us a buy signal, gave us a hidden bullish divergence here. Not only did it give us a hidden bullish divergence, our indicator gave us an extreme divergence. You can see that the price fell back to a 5618 area support and the cloud, bounced off the cloud, and then we got a TK signal cross. So we had a morning star here, and then we got a TK cross, the Tenkan Kijun cross, and the price today gapped above that, giving us a new buy signal to enter this market. And the reward risk ratio is 12-to-1. So if I'm risking 3,000, multiply that, my reward will be times 12. So yeah, that will be the profit target. Let's zoom out to see where price will go. Currently, the price is $700. So my target price will be $1,400. So $1,400. Sorry, $1,400. Yeah, $100 would be the target price for ServiceNow. And my plan, the trading plan, will be how long will it take to reach the goal? It will take about, I'll give it, July, latest August to reach my target. Great. And if we zoom out to the weekly chart, we can see that we have a kicker candle, and also a morning star candle right at support, in enforcing our like buy thesis in this particular company. The company doesn't pay a dividend, but that's okay. This is a growth stock. It reached my target. I entered at 500, 550 around last year in September, and the price went up to 700, the highest, 800 the highest. And this is another buy signal to re-enter again, to just compound our earnings. So that's a super stock. You should, like I said, double, triple in price, go 300% by the end of the year. That's the latest, really latest. But I think by August we'll get there. Um, and the next one is called NVO. All right, that's another signal. We can see here that last week, sorry, or the beginning of March sometime, the price made a high, right, of 138, and then came down. And the way it came down is perfect. The way it came down, you can see that it had an ABC pattern, zigzag pattern down. A, B, perfect C right here. And it's not an extension. It's just an ABC. Micro ABC here, ABC. And not only that, we see that we have support. If we take off our other indicator, we can see that, yeah, we have support at 130. And I marked that. Also, there's Kijun support as well, right here. And also we can see big people today. We have a lot of volume transactions in the stock, telling us that, hey, big banks, big hedge funds, they're buying. So why not us? So let's buy. Let's look at the volume today. The volume today is about, let's see, currently it's only 2:30 p.m. So the volume is about $5.57 million pumped into the stock. This stock is, like I said, is a super stock. It's not going to go out of business anytime soon. And we can see over the past decade, the stock moved from 2 decades. Let's go 2 decades back. Wow, we can go 3 decades, 4 decades back. It started from 50 cents, and now it's about 130, and it's consistently growing company. Sales and earnings are great. Not only are they great, but they're accelerating, which is a key fundamental signal for me. Creative View is not really giving us the accurate. You can see here, it's not really giving us the accurate picture of what's going on with the stock today. But you can see here, the real price is 130.32, but the chart is showing us something totally different, so it's incorrect. If we go back to a smaller time frame, you can see that actually we had an engulfing bullish pattern right at support, right in this area where I was marking support. And we have many confluences here. We have FIP support, ABC support, completion support. We have almost a completion of the average weekly range, Kijun support. This is also what I call a Kijun trend bounce. Potential, yeah, it is a Kijun trend bounce. If the price right now is 130 and not like it shows here, then this will be a Kijun trend bounce, and we have strong volume coming in. The big institutions are just buying at the same time. They can't hide from people because they have to report what they're buying and selling, so they can't hide. And this pattern will be a triangular pattern as well. So everything's lining up, telling me that it's time to buy. So these are the 2 super stocks that I review. It's already 8 minutes. I want to make this quick. I don't see any other super stocks out there, just these 2 that I'm buying. I know I have stocks in Apple and ACGL, and they're not the new thing. They're not the super stocks. The super stocks are NOW and NVO. And we're buying that, and we should, triple, quadruple. Oh, no, it just turned green. Great. And now it's matching the chart is now matching the what it should be, matching the real data that's coming in finally. Yeah, so I don't know why it showed red, it should be green, whatever. So yeah, all these other stocks I invested in, T-Mobile, They're not super stocks. They're just good stocks to buy and hold for like a year or two. But these are the super stocks that I bought now and NVO. We should, grow and the pressure to go 200, 400% within just 6 to 8 months. Uh, this is my journey to $2 million, recording it live so I can look back and take pride. There you go. This is Rocket Man over and out. Bye bye.